Welcome back to Design Engineer Studio, and in today's video we want to learn how to create these awesome flyer designs. And guys, this is different from the normal flyer design we've been doing, so just make sure you stick around and watch till the end. So if you are a new subscriber, you are welcome and thanks for joining us. Okay, let's get started. So I'll be coming to my black Canva right here. We are using our default square size, so you can come over here to check it out. So this is, you can just increase the pixels. Okay, so here we go. So first of all, I need to import my reference. Okay, here we have our reference right here. So let's start this right here. So let me hide this. So I'll be coming to my import, the one we used right here. So just adjust this and come to opacity and reduce this. Of 2 to 3 is okay. So just need to lock this. Okay, so the next thing we do is come to import again to this. You check this and you come to your eraser tool. So you come to this button right here and click on square. So you want to do some magic. You just come, you can see. So then the arrow over here, you just trim the one inside and you are done. So you click on OK and OK. Let's see how that is done there. Okay, so get something like this. So come to opacity again and reduce it. How you call it, opacity, anything. So just reduce it like this. It's not so obvious. So then we lock this. The next thing is to import our model. Remember, all materials are linked in the description, so remember to get them. So here we have this right here. The image is already edited. So to learn how to enhance video, okay, check through the channel. So the image is edited already. Let's see what we are doing. It might be adjusted later. So the next thing is to start importing our text. Okay, so and you notice this, there's something like a light flare around here. To know how to do it, I'll be explaining that in this video. Okay, so this is skill monetization. So these are text. Come to your text. So come to skill, click on OK and come to your font. So this is the font I used, also bright. So click on OK. You can just come to your padding right here. So click on OK. You'll be selecting a black color, skill. Let's make a copy of this. Monetization. Okay. Okay. So now this, we don't love this line spacing, we need to adjust it and you are going to decrease this like this. So click on OK. So let's come to this. So we are selecting black here, and we are using gradient color. So I'll be color picking this. So I'll come to your, select this text. So we're coming to gradient right here. Come to your gradient. So we're selecting this gradient. So we need to color pick this from the reference. So we have this. Let's zoom in. So we already have this. We pick this, and the one below, let's zoom out. So now we have this. So just need to adjust them like this. So we have something like this. Okay, so let's hide this again. Let's scale this down. Scale. Let's adjust this. Okay, so let's adjust this a bit. Are you getting it? Skill monetization. So we have this. Let's work on the position. Okay, so the next thing is to do the test, learn how to make money and build online presence with your digital skill. Okay, now that we are done with this, let's now delete this. Okay, and I hope you learned something today. So to create that effect that is showing around it, so let's save this image and open our new file. The image is saved already, so come to pixellab. Okay, come to pixellab. So if you are here to know the introduction to pixellab, make sure you check the video I uploaded last week. Okay, I'll be changing this to, I'll be adding more font to this design. So I'll click on this plus below and okay, so here is it. So I will be coming to my add photo right here. So I'll be adding a photo. Now we import this light effect. So I'll drop it in the description box. I hope I've dropped this already. So you just need to come to your blend right here and just click on blend, then you check the option that best suits for you. So this is screen. Okay, so you can see the effect right here now. I think I love what I'm seeing. So you can just tap on the lens flare again and multiply, no, darken. So you can see them right there. So if you haven't watched the video on the introduction class, make sure you do that. You can just make a copy of this, duplicate, and that's if you really want this. So then you come here to save. So it's saved to your gallery.